Okay, so this is a kind of an e-learning platform for Brainstorm. It's a learning center. So it wants to build something like Coursera. So I've actually done this application, like I've built the UI of this application using both. I've done with Lovable. I've also used GitHub Copilot, and this is with Antigravity. So I just want to give an overview of what was generated from the prompt I used on Antigravity. So as you can see, this is how the website looks in terms of the nav, the hero section. I think I like the hero section because there's a bit of a search thing here. This button, so this color is not showing yet. Showing up. That can actually be handled with one or 2 points. These guys, the browse categories aspect. I don't like the display of this. It's not looking that good. The course cards. They tried, but it's not looking modern. It's looking cake. Then, what our students say about us? It's not even moving. It's just there. This section is good. I like it. So this for the home section. Let's go to the courses section. Okay, the courses section actually have a place where you can search. Let me look for web development. So the search is working. I think also these filters are working. So I click on web development. Let's say beginners, no beginners. So it's working. It's working. Let me go back to all levels. So this is working. If I click on the course in particular, I can actually see the course, see details about the course, the overview curriculum, the course sections, that is nice. Instructors, and I can see the reviews for the courses. This is awesome. Although I would have preferred it to be more like a gradient view or something, but this is what it gave, irrespective of. I've not prompted it to be that detailed, but when I did this for Lovable, it was not. I didn't even the same prompt produced something spectacular, even more than this. So about Brainstorm, ambition, vision, stories, meet our team. Okay, contact, just simple contact us form and all that.